Scon Design India Private Ltd is one of the top BIM firms in the country, offering comprehensive building information modeling services to clients across various industries. With a team of skilled professionals and state-of-the-art technology, Scon Design India Private Limited provides end-to-end BIM solutions that help clients optimize their construction projects and improve efficiency. As a leading BIM firm, Scon Design India Private Ltd specializes in delivering accurate and reliable 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoff, and project scheduling services. The company uses advanced software tools like Autodesk Revit, Navisworks, and AutoCAD to create detailed models that help clients visualize their construction projects before they are built. This not only minimizes errors, but also saves time and costs by identifying design clashes early in the process. Scon Design India Private Ltd has worked on numerous projects across various sectors, including commercial, residential, healthcare, education, hospitality, and more. Clients trust Scon Design India Private Ltd to deliver accurate and reliable BIM services that help them achieve their construction goals on time and within budget. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM firm in India that provides top-notch services to clients across the globe. With a team of highly skilled professionals and cutting-edge technology, Scon Design India Private Limited has emerged as one of the top BIM firms in the industry. The team at Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of BIM in the construction industry and strives to deliver exceptional services to its clients. Apart from BIM services, Scon Design India Private Ltd also offers 3D visualization, MEP coordination, management services. In conclusion, Scon Design India Private Ltd is a top BIM firm that offers a wide range of services to clients across various sectors. The Indian BIM Association is a professional organization that aims to promote the use of building information modeling, BIM, in the Indian construction industry. Leading architectural firm in India, is one of the prominent members of this association. The organization is dedicated to creating awareness about BIM and its benefits among stakeholders in the construction industry, including architects, engineers, contractors, and building owners. Scon Design India Private Ltd has been actively involved in the Indian BIM Association's mission to promote the adoption of BIM in the construction industry. The firm has extensive experience in using BIM technology for various construction projects. With its expertise in BIM, Scon Design India Private Ltd has been able to deliver high-quality designs that meet clients' requirements and ensure efficient construction processes. The Indian BIM Association provides a platform for collaboration and knowledge sharing among its members. It organizes workshops, seminars, and conferences to educate